Hello, welcome to this channel. I'm Maximilian and I will take you through the design of the laundry dryer here in Autodesk Inventor. Click on the project, on the pop-up window, click on the next button, and we want to set a new, we want to make a new project. So I will name my project as dryer, and then I will go on to search for the folder where I want to have my project saved. I like having fun in my name, so I will name my project as the way you can see it. You feel free to name your project however you want, but in my case I want to use the dryer lawn day, and I'll click on the three dot icon, select my folder, and then I'll make a new folder and name it as a dryer, similar to the name of the file. Go on and save your work. Click on the OK and finish, and then you're ready for the next part. Moving on to the next part, we are creating a new part. So select the metric template and the standard millimeter. Select your plane. So I'll choose the vertical plane, and since we want to be really accurate, so I'll select my orthographic mode of view. Onto the sketch, strike Ctrl L on your keyboard or select the line tool next to new 2D sketch in your window. Place the lines just like I am doing, no complications at this stage. You can input the dimensions directly as you draw, or choose to select the dimension tool and actually assign the dimensions on your lines or to your lines after you have drawn. You can tweak your sketch by clicking a point and dragging any point that you wish, as long as it's not constrained. The whole point, or the point of doing this, is to actually ensure that you have constrained your sketch perfectly. You actually realize how easy this is getting. So when you're done, click on finish sketch and get ready for the next part, which is extrusion. So the next part we will be extruding. Strike A on your keyboard, and this is asymmetrical extrusion. Feed your values as I've shown in my window to extrude this sketch symmetrically on both sides, and then when you're done, finish your extrusion and you are ready for the next step. So let's do a slight rework on the edges. Select the chamfer icon next to the fillet icon and input your chamfer dimension. Select the two back horizontal edges and the necessary edges, just as I am doing. We don't want to have a product that looks that sharp, so we want to make these edges a little bit more appealing. On the next thing that we will do is do a little bit, rounding, or rather filleting the edges by selecting the fillet tool or striking the F key on the keyboard, and having the dimensions as necessary. Once you're done, we have a beautiful product. Not that beautiful as we might be expecting, but at least we have something that we can continue working on. And I move it around, baby. Look at how this looks. Perfect. Now we're done making this sketch and the model, but we realize that we need to correct our sketch. If you hover your mouse or your pointer across the face, your Autodesk Inventor will show up these options, and I want to select the second option that will take you directly to the sketch that we initially made, and we can make adjustments in this case. So click on the points and I wanted to set up the angle just as I have done, so that we can tweak this product even more. Go ahead, changing the dimensions, just making slight tweaks here and there, so that we can have a product just as we wish. And here we have it. Okay, turn around, baby. Let's see you from behind. There we go. We just recognized a problem right there. So click on feel free to move this baby around, and then choose the fillet icon and adjust this behind a little bit. There we have it. Congratulations. So that's all for the initial bit. Thank you so much for following up to this point. Let's meet in the next video, whereby we continue tweaking our baby. Thank you, and see you around.